Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Reader Class 6 book. Today I will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is My Life as a Pearl Diver 2. Part 2 will start of this chapter, Pearl Diver. I shall now describe my second trip to the bottom of the sea. So he is describing his second trip. This time I had my joyride because I went down on a sinker. So he is a ride also, and he went by a sinker. With one hand I held on to the rope. So one hand was in the rope, and with the other I caught another line which had a net bag to hold the oyster shells. So here you can see in the picture he is holding the net bag, and here in the bag there is a oyster shells which is in white in color. He is collecting from here. After that, after I had scooped into the bag as many shells, so after he has collected all the shells as I could, I gave a tug. So he has given a tug and up. I went on the sinker. So he went to the sinker. There were other divers too. So there were other divers too, and most of us held onto the rope. So all were attached with the rope all the way up. However, there were a few excellent divers from the southern coast of India. There were some from the southern part of India. There were some good divers also. They let go to the rope halfway. Halfway the rope was going and swam up by themselves. So they were swimming by themselves. The third time I went in. Third time when he went into the sea, I was given a pair of goggles. So he has got the goggles, which did not allow a single drop of water to get into my eyes. So by these goggles, water cannot touch his eyes. That was really wonderful. So this dive was really wonderful for him. For now, I could look around as I descended. So he can look around very carefully. When I was actually on the floor of the sea, so when he was at the bottom of the sea, I could see the pale light of the sun. So he could see the pale light of the sun. It was warm below and the floor was sandy. So below it was very warm, okay, and the floor was full of sand. Strange looking plants with finger like leaves. Some plants was there and their leaf was like finger, kept swaying in the shimmering water. They were weeds like ferns. It was a wonderful sight to see. So it was a very good sight to see. Very strange fish swishing about in their brilliant colors through the weeds. So the fish was also he see in the sea, but I could not stay there very long. So he could not be there in the sea for very long. I had to do my job. So he has to do his work. I had to scoop up as many oyster shells as I could. So he has to collect as many oyster shells that he could collect. These shells themselves are not pretty to look at. So it doesn't look good, but they give to the world one of the prettiest of jewels. So the world is getting prettiest jewels from this oyster shell, the pearl. From this they are getting pearl. Do you know how a pearl is formed? So do you know how a pearl is formed? He is asking here question. So today we will be here only till here. Next day we will start from here. Before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will write chapter 5, My Life as a Pearl Diver 2. 1 number question answer, 2 number answer, 3 number answer, 4 number question answer. So this question answer you will write in your literature copy. This is your homework. Okay, that's all.